Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Yosafirior brand replacement tubing adapter. This is a CPAP or cleaning machine tubing adapter for the AirSense 11. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of the box, very well packaged, safely put together, and pretty standard, as you'll see. I can get it out of the packaging. So the airway system is going to be the same as the original manufactured product. Everything should look and feel the same. Seals, all that stuff. So if you're looking for a replacement, this is clear, but it's there. It's not a hole, just to clarify. If you're looking for a replacement, this is something that will work great and probably be far more affordable. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.